Alright, welcome in. This is going to be catching up on a few days of this road to first funded payout. Sorry, that's just some things, me trying to figure out how to screen record. Anyway, I figured it out. So pretty much, I purchased my second funded account. If you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, and I'll show you. There it is. Okay, so I got it this week and I've started trading, and to sum up pretty much the start of the week, it's been in the red. I'm in drawdown a couple hundred, and today I'm not even going to talk about the trades because I know, okay, there were losses, yeah, I know why, you know why, but it was really a psychological thing, and this is a bit of beliefs work that I did, and I think this is what's gonna change it for me and turn things around for me. So pretty much my data for the week pretty much said that I entered 7 times in 4 days. I didn't reduce risk when in drawdown, and almost all of my entries had some aspect that discredited my edge. So there was always something that I was a bit unsure about. There was some red flags, there was some things that I probably should have seen and decided not to take the trade. And these are some mistakes that I made, and I figured out the beliefs why I did these things. So I entered 7 times in 4 days because I strongly hold the belief that more work will lead to more money faster, and that's a fair enough belief. I think it applies in pretty much anything else apart from trading, but I pretty much see more work as being more trades, more entries, more time being on the market, because there's really not a whole lot else you can do. So since I want to pass this funded as quick as I can, I'm thinking, okay, I gotta do more work, or I gotta take more trades. And this is a belief that it's proven to be correct in pretty much everything else in my life, but trading is one thing that's sort of contradicted that belief. So I went down here and I pretty much just explained to myself in a little paragraph why this belief isn't true and it's not viable and it's not going to work. And I came up with a contradicting belief, a belief that I need to adopt that's completely against this old belief or this current belief, and it's that more work doesn't mean more money faster in trading. Notice I added in trading because outside of trading I think it still does. And a new belief, which is more discipline, is more money faster in trading. So by adopting a belief that more discipline means I'll make more money faster in trading, this will mean that I'm taking less trades, which is the issue that I had before, and it will mean that I'm having the discipline to only pick out the trades that are 100% in line with my edge, and there's no maybe ifs or buts. So the old belief for another trading error I made was the fact that almost all my entries had some aspect that discredited my edge. So this is basically saying that I'd wait around maybe an hour or two for a trade, and market would not react off my level, just consolidate, and then maybe I'd finally get a break of structure after like an hour or two. And because I waited for the trade, I would take it, because I have a belief that waiting for a trade and not taking it is a waste of time. So for example, I wanted to take a trade for liquidity sweep and a 1 hour PDRA on Friday, and it came up and ran above the highs that I anticipated, but it didn't actually sweep out the highs because it broke structure to the upside on the 15-minute, 30-minute and the hourly, and it just consolidated for a while. And eventually we got a little 5-minute break of structure to the downside, but that was after a while time, and it was no longer classified a liquidity sweep. But I just ignored this information, not because I think that I don't understand what a liquidity sweep is, and not because I expect price to go my way. It's because I have a belief that since I waited for that trade, if I don't take it, then I just wasted my time waiting for it, right? And that'll piss me off. And this is a belief that I also proved to myself to be not true, because waiting for a trade and not taking it requires discipline, and we establish in that new belief here that more discipline means more money faster in trading. So if I wait for a trade and don't take it, I'm going to be developing my discipline in the markets, and that's going to lead me to become profitable faster. So I pretty much outlined a win-win scenario where when I'm on the markets, either I wait for a trade and don't take it and develop my discipline, or I wait for the trade and I do take it, and I know that I've taken a trade with proper risk management and that is in perfect alignment with what I define as an edge, meaning that over a series of 10, 20, 30 trades, I'm going to be profitable in the long term. So I know that now that's a win-win. So those are the two big ones that I outlined. The other ones are they're sort of similar, and I don't really think they're that strong beliefs. I think these two beliefs are the ones that are really strong, and that they always seem to find their way into my trading when there's money involved. So when I'm on demo, I'm not going to be taking as many trades, because more work equals more money faster. Well, it's impossible to make any money on demo, so that belief doesn't apply. And then the second belief that waiting for a trade and not taking is a waste of time. Well, on demo, a lot of the time I don't really wait for trades because I think that it'd just be an even bigger waste of time. Like the fact you're not even trading for money. So on demo, I didn't really wait for trades that much. I would define a setup and then I'd just go away and do something, or spend my time doing something else, so that I wasn't wasting time in between. And that's something I think I should do as well. I'm funded, but I don't for some reason. But yeah, those are two beliefs that I've pretty much broken down, and I've sort of gone into them and understood how they're impacting my trading. And these new beliefs now, I'm gonna commit to memory and try and make these my new strong beliefs, and take the place of these old unviable beliefs that just don't work. And I think you should do this too. Should do something like this, similar. So pretty much, I just saw the data. What were the objective results? What was the objective data saying? And then drawing beliefs and behaviors behind them out. So what are the beliefs that cause these behaviors? Because there's always something. So yeah, that's all I got for today. I'm gonna make sure to do trade recaps next week. It's pretty busy. School's back, but yeah, that's a little update on where I'm at, and also a tip for you if you feel that there's something wrong with your psychology, you just can't pinpoint it. It might be your beliefs. So that's all I got.